I got all the caps tightened down. They're not torqued down, they're just tightened down. And we need to check for crankshaft in play with the new thrust washers, new thrust bearings in. So what I got here is a magnet base with a dial indicator. And we're just going to set this up somehow. And this is black. So that it won't move around. How about over here? There we go. That'll hold. Now let's loosen up some of these bits here, and we're going to want to position this up to the end of the crankshaft. Come on, get through there. Alright, now we can zero our gauge. Alright, zeroed. And what we're gonna want to do is between the two counterweights and the third cap here is a good place to pry, and we want to push that way gently. That's as far as I can get it to move without risk messing something up. So it moved 2 thousandths. This way. Let's see how far it goes that way. One. So now if we, after pulling it this way, let's zero it. And do it the other way and see what our total is. Should be 3. It is 1, 2, 3. In play is 3 thousandths. You can see here. Let me zoom in here. I'll push it back the other way. It goes back to 0 and stops. If I go it the other way. It goes up to about 3 and stops. It is anywhere from 0.002, which would be 2 thousandths, to 12, which would be all the way over to here. So that is factory fresh now for the most part at 3.